Welcome to 1866 Northeast Park Ridge Drive, located in the highly sought-after Park Ridge Estates neighborhood of Lee's Summit, Missouri. Join us this Sunday, August 18th, for our open house. Step inside this gorgeous reverse-split home that truly has it all. With high-quality fixtures and finishes throughout, every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a luxurious living experience. Designed by a well-known interior decorator, the spacious open-concept interior features a stunning kitchen equipped with an oversized walk-in pantry, gas stovetop, and beautiful granite countertops. This home is perfect for entertaining family and friends. The primary suite and laundry area, conveniently located on the main level, offers a tranquil retreat, while the home boasts a total of 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. With a 3-car garage and a beautiful iron fenced-in backyard, this home is perfect for those who value both style and functionality. Need more space? The fully finished basement is designed for entertainment and includes a full bar and plenty of storage. It is ideal for hosting gatherings. This neighborhood has so much more to offer, including a mansion-sized clubhouse, 3 inviting pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and connecting walking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Don't miss your chance to tour this stunning property. Join me, your host, Amy Dalkey, with Foster Marketing Group at Reese Nichols Eastland, this Sunday, August 18th from 1 to 3 p.m. at 1866 Northeast Park Ridge Drive in Lee's Summit, Missouri. There is so much more to see in this stunning home.